Mae sgiliau bwyd a diod Cymru yn cynnig cyfle i chi ddilyn cwrs Hyfforddiant Cynaliadwyedd wedi ei ariannu gennym ni. 3 sydd wedi gwneud y cwrs yn barod yw Peter Rice o Prima Foods UK, Laura Barthop o Siop Goffi Mam Gu Welsh Cakes, a Dafydd Davies a Brian Wayne o Peter's Foods. Mae'r hyfforddiant wedi helpu'r pedwar i ddeall sut gall Cynaliadwyedd helpu eu busnesau nhw.
What the course gave us was an ability and starting to do something is better than doing nothing.
Aeth Prima Foods ati i gynnal archwiliad neu audit amgylcheddol o'r cwmni, gan edrych ar sut roedden nhw'n rhedeg y ffatri a sut roedd y busnes yn effeithio ar y blaned ac ar y gymuned ehangach hefyd.
We looked at the people audit.
Yna, dyma ddechrau edrych ychydig ymhellach i mewn i'r gadwyn gyflenwi, gan bwy maen nhw'n prynu cynnyrch, effaith yny ar y bobl a'r gymuned, a beth allent ymwneud i gael effaith mwy positif wrth brynu nwyddau.
Sustainability is not just about looking at the environment, it's about making sure you're doing things in a sustainable way and making profit in a sustainable way. And that is very much something that we got out of the course. It's about tangible, real, achievable, smart objectives.
Ar y cwrs, roedd cyfle i drafod tipyn ar yr economi gylchol a beth mae hynny'n ei olygu mwyn ceisio newid y ffordd o edrych ar Cynaliadwyedd.
And I found it interesting doing the self-assessment questionnaire because it pretty quickly tells you where you are. That sort of kicks you off, or kicked us off, into thinking what we like to do, what our priorities were, where we were lacking, where we were stronger than we thought.
Mae Mam Gu Welsh Cakes wedi gwneud Cynaliadwyedd yn rhan o'i cynllun busnes ar ôl bod ar y cwrs, gan osod targedau penodol i'r cwmni a'r staff.
Following the sustainability course, we've implemented it into our business plan. So we've got action plans in terms of our social impact and our environmental impact. We've got short-term goals in there and long-term goals just to go with our business plan. And I think if we didn't have this, we would be behind in the market, and it builds a lot of business resilience.
Yn ogystal â rhoi ffocws ar ofalu am les y staff, sy'n helpu i gynnal y busnes i'r dyfodol, mae'r cwrs yn edrych ar lawer o bethau ymarferol eraill hefyd.
Cutting down on energy usage, looking at our food waste management system. We were thinking we were quite sustainable beforehand, but we didn't know how to put this onto our website or use it in marketing, and they were really clear as to how we can implement this and then portray it to our customers. There's great discussions. They understand that every business is different, so you can discuss your business needs and you can get one-to-one help as well.
Roedd Dafydd a Brian o Peter's Foods yn gwerthfawrogi'r cyfle i drafod a rhannu problemau cyffredin gyda busnesau eraill.
I think it was an appreciation and awareness more than anything of other businesses, and the fact that we share similar problems, the same problems, in totally different areas of food manufacturing.
Yn eithaf buan wedi'r cwrs, roedd Peter's Foods yn dechrau cael ymholiadau gan gwsmeriaid am eu cynlluniau i fod yn fwy cynaliadwy. Daeth y cwrs ar yr amser iawn i'r busnes fachu ar gyfleoedd newydd a gwneud cynlluniau i'r dyfodol. Mae'r cwrs wedi rhoi'r hyder iddynt fynd i'r afael y Cynaliadwyedd, gam wrth gam.
Tackling it as a large subject, it is a large subject, but then when you take little chunks out of it, it then becomes a lot easier and you're able to apply yourself then. And I think that was the revelation then. Something that was really valuable out of it was the tapping into resources, expertise. That was key and critical from my perspective.
It was all new to me, and I was surprised on how much I picked up from there, especially from talking with the other businesses that were on there, and we were all feeding off each other, and it was really good. I enjoyed the course, and I would recommend the course to anyone who is thinking about doing it.
I gael manylion am yr hyfforddiant, cysylltwch â sgiliau-cymru@menterabusnes.co.uk.